Good morning, guys. We got a thunderstorm, and it's so far. Oh, we already got to watch. Okay, let's show you what's going on. Straight line went. Very heavy rains. Look at it. Yeah, you can see it. Look at the trees through the light. Look at the light. Whoa. I don't know, can you see a street light? This looked me out of a sound sleep. Crazy lightning. Or I could just keep this recording. Ouch. Aha, that works.
Doppler radar, tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Frankfurt to Denville and moving east at 40 miles per hour. The wind extension diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms, along with heavy rain. Locations near the path of these storms include Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Plainfield, Zionsville, Speedway, Carmel, Beech Grove, Tipton, Noblesville, Fishers, Lawrence, Avon. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. Torrential rain, which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your vehicle on a flooded roadway.
Whoa, look at the rain coming down.
Special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Marion, and Tipton. Strong thunderstorm advisory for southeastern Clinton, Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Marion, and southern Tipton counties until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Frankfurt to Denville and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms, along with heavy rain.
It is
Locations near the path of
downpouring
these
right
storms
now.
include Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Plainfield, Zionsville, Speedway, Carmel, Beech Grove, Tipton, Noblesville, Fishers, Lawrence, Avon. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. Torrential rain, which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your
Wow, look at the
vehicle on a flooded roadway.
lightning. It is
And now a
non-stop.
special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Marion, and Tipton. Strong thunderstorm advisory for southeastern Clinton, Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks,
The
Marion, and
wind
southern
is
Tipton
blowing
counties
like
until
crazy.
6:15 a.m. Eastern
I
Daylight
know you
Time.
guys can't see it,
At
so that's why
5:12
I'm
a.m. Eastern Daylight
telling you
Time,
guys what I'm seeing,
National
because
Weather
I can see
Service
a little
radar
better.
was tracking strong thunderstorms
I
along a
know
line
the camera
extending
can't
from
pick up
Frankfurt to
good
Denville and
stuff,
moving
and
east at 40
in
miles per
seeing
hour.
out a window it
Gusty
reflects
winds,
easily.
diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms, along with heavy
Whoa!
rain. Locations near the path of these
Actually, you
storms
can hear it,
include
I bet.
Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Plainfield, Zionsville, Speedway, Carmel, Beech Grove, Tipton, Noblesville, Fishers, Lawrence,
If
Avon.
you wanted to
If
go out and
threatening
take a
weather
shower, you
approaches your
could. You
area,
could just
take
go out
shelter
there
in
and
a
you would
sturdy
get wet
building.
in like the first
Torrential
5
rain,
seconds.
which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your vehicle on a flooded roadway. And now a special weather statement
I got the
for the
hiccups.
following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Marion, and Tipton.
Whoa.
Strong thunderstorm advisory for
I got
southeastern
that.
Clinton, tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Frankfurt to Denville and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms, along with heavy rain. Locations near the path of these storms include
Whoa.
Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Plainfield, Zionsville, Speedway, Connell, Beech Grove, Ticton, Noblesville, Fishers, Lawrence, Avon. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. Torrential rain, which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your vehicle on a flooded roadway. And now a special weather statement for the following counties.
This is only a watch. Why have to issue a warning? This is like
Strong thunderstorms
amazing.
advisory for southeastern Clinton, Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Norrington, and southern Tipton counties until 6:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Frankfurt to Denville and moving east at 40
Look at
miles per
this.
hour. Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms, along with heavy rain. Locations near the path of these storms include Indianapolis, Brownsburg, Plainfield, Zionsville, Speedway, Connell, Beech Grove, Ticton,
Let's go back. Let's see if you can see.
Avon. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building.
You can kind of see
Torrential
it.
rain, which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also
Okay, I'm going to kind of give you a surrounding because you cannot see the road at all. There is a river.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook for central
Hold on.
Indiana for today and tonight. Thunderstorms are possible today. Hazards, damaging winds, heavy rain, small hail, lightning. Timing, best chances for severe storms will be before 10 a.m. Chances for storms will diminish through the day and by 2 p.m. Here is the hazardous weather discussion. A cold front will move through central Indiana today. Thunderstorms will be possible with dawn. High pressure will provide dry
It's mainly right over here.
and now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Thunderstorms are possible Thursday and Friday. Lightning is a threat from any storm. Here is the hazardous weather discussion. A cold front will bring chances for storms late in the week. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is likely early this morning. And now a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson, Morgan, and Shelby. Strong thunderstorm advisory for Johnson.
Okay, they just said there might be a spotter activation.
45 a.m.
Okay,
Eastern Daylight
anyways,
Time. At 5:40
there is a
a.m.
small
Eastern Daylight
stream
Time, National
on
Weather
the
Service Doppler
street,
radar was
and it's
tracking
about
strong
the
thunderstorms
taking up
along a
half the
line
lane. It
extending
is
from
just
Frankfurt to
flowing, but you
Denville
cannot
and
see it
Indianapolis,
because of the
moving east
camera.
at 40 miles per hour.
Sorry about that.
Hail up to 1/2 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are expected with this storm, along with heavy rain. Locations near the path of this storm
Whoa.
include Shelbyville, Greenwood, Franklin, Parkersville, Trafalgar, New Woodland, Whiteland, Bogstown, Marietta, Pearland, Geneva, Waldron. This storm may intensify, and a severe thunderstorm warning is
Whoa.
in effect for this area. Be certain to monitor local radio and TV stations, as well as local cable TV outlets, for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. Torrential rain,
Whoa.
which may flood low-lying areas such as ditches and underpasses, is also likely. Do not drive your vehicle on a flooded roadway. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for the Indianapolis area. Severe thunderstorm watch 562 in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time today.
562.
Early this morning, thunderstorms likely. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of thunderstorms 60%. Today, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of thunderstorms until midday. Then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, cooler, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per
You can
hour.
see the
Monday,
trees.